At present, approximately 50% of energy consumed by Emasagra, surpassing 6 gigawatts, equivalent to the annual energetic needs of 1,700 Spanish homes, is utilized in the water treatment process. Mainly due to maintenance of aeration in the active sludge bioreactors, this process is one of the main consumers of energy in the integral water cycle. As the previous episode of this docu-series states, most of the energy produced and consumed by biofactories comes from biogas produced in-house. In addition to this, according to the Instituto Nacional de Estadística and the Agencia Estatal de Meteorología, Granada has an annual median of 3,000 hours of sunlight. This fact, as well as the availability of surface space in our facilities, made it obvious that the next step is to harness this solar power to increase our energy output. In 2018, Biofactory South finished a solar farm generating a peak power of 336 kilowatts, which produces an average of 540,000 kilowatts annually, equivalent to the annual consumption of 154 Spanish homes. Annual solar power and biogas production contribute to Biofactory South's excess of 100% energy self-sufficiency, which makes it an exemplary model of management and circular economy on the international stage. It has captivated interest in the water and industrial sectors, attracting numerous visits to the plant and even gaining recognition of good practice by the European Circular Economy Stakeholder Platform of the European Commission. These milestones are fundamental to align Emasagra's strategy with the UN's Sustainable Development Goals and to guide the company into a self-sufficient future, serving to bolster our facilities' resiliency as well as our cities in the face of upcoming climate change, urban population growth, and spike hikes in energy due to geopolitical circumstances. To certify the execution of our energy policy and proper management of the energetic aspects derived from our activity, in 2017, Emasagra successfully integrated the energy management system by means of norm ISO 50001, its jurisdiction ruling over wastewater treatment. This certification involves the implementation of a constant improvement plan and its follow-up. In it, we can identify measures to reduce the facilities and systems' energy consumption in an integrated fashion, optimizing energy efficiency. This contributes to a more efficient and sustainable consumption of energy, as well as instilling confidence in our resource management, highlighting the company's efforts. Immersed in the fourth industrial revolution, proper energy management is impossible without a digital transformation to attract innovation. For this, we possess the latest and greatest digital services, such as advanced aeration and ratio tracking integrated in the plant's digital twin, which allows us to centralize information and transform raw data into valuable analytics, assisting in decision-making and improving operational strategy. All these actions aren't future plans, but are already a reality, which demonstrate we are a prepared company committed to the circular economy by way of resource revolution.